choosing the right pickleball paddle can be tricky. Poor grip, weak control, low spin, or uncomfortable weight can ruin your game fast. That's why high-quality paddles make a big difference. The right paddle improves accuracy, boosts power, and gives you better control on every shot. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best pickleball paddles, perfect for beginners, intermediate players, and competitive matches. We analyzed product features and real user feedback to build this list. All links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Number 5. Agassi Pro 4 Pickleball Paddle. The Agassi Pro 4 Pickleball Paddle is built for players who want a balance of power and spin. It features a 16mm Gen 4 TFP foam core that enhances shot control while reducing vibration for a smoother feel. The T700 carbon fiber surface provides excellent grip on the ball, allowing better spin and precision during gameplay. Its ergonomic handle design ensures comfort during long matches and reduces hand fatigue. Whether you're smashing or placing soft shots, this paddle delivers consistent performance for players aiming to level up their game. Number 4. TITANFORCE Mod TA15 Player Edition Paddle. The TITANFORCE Mod TA15 Player Edition paddle is designed for high-performance play with a strong focus on power and spin. It features a high-quality EVA foam-filled core that enhances energy return for powerful shots while maintaining control. The surface texture helps generate spin, making it easier to control ball placement. Being USAPA approved, it's suitable for competitive play. The solid build quality and balanced weight make it a reliable option for players who want both aggressive performance and consistent accuracy on the court. Number 3. Joysent Ultra Gen 3 Pro Series Paddle. The Joysent Ultra Gen 3 Pro Series paddle stands out with its thermoformed T700 raw carbon fiber construction, designed for maximum durability and performance. The 16mm core offers excellent control, while still allowing strong power when needed. Its raw carbon fiber face enhances spin potential, giving players more control over advanced shots. USAPA approval makes it suitable for tournament play. With a solid feel and responsive feedback, this paddle is ideal for players who want a professional-grade option without sacrificing comfort or control. Number 2. Joysent Titanium Carbon Fiber Paddle. The Joysent Pickleball Paddle features a premium titanium carbon fiber weave surface that delivers outstanding spin and control. Its 16mm PMI Gen 4 thermoformed core provides a perfect balance between power and touch, making it versatile for different playstyles. The paddle is designed for stability and consistent performance, even during fast-paced rallies. Its strong construction ensures durability while maintaining a comfortable grip. This paddle is a great choice for players who want enhanced control without losing the ability to hit powerful shots when needed. Number 1. LEATOU Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle Set. The LEATOU Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle Set is the best overall choice for value and performance. It includes 2 paddles, making it perfect for beginners or casual players who want a complete set. The carbon fiber surface, combined with a polypropylene honeycomb core, provides a solid mix of power, control, and durability. It's USAPA approved, so it's suitable for both recreational and competitive play. The included carry bag adds convenience for travel. If you want a reliable, all-in-one paddle set, this is an excellent pick. If you want better control, more spin, and stronger shots, upgrading your pickleball paddle is a smart move. These 5 options offer great performance, durability, and value for every type of player. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a perfect paddle here. Which one would you choose? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.